All right, guys, I'm pretty excited. We're in bucket list territory here. We're in Bonneville, Utah, on the border of Nevada. We're on the Bonneville Salt Flats. This is the home of the world's fastest mile, the land speed record in the world. This place is amazing. I'm blown away already. I'm so excited. I'm gonna get the drone up. We're gonna take some pictures. We're gonna go for a ride. Hopefully you get to see all of it. This place is so flat that you actually can see the curvature of the earth with the naked eye. Let that sink in for a sec. All right, let's see what we can get into. What do you think? You think we should go for the record? I think we should go for the record. Let's go for the record. I hear you asking, does that thing have a Hemi? Yeah, it's got a Hemi. You guys, I guess you've probably figured it out by now. I'm having way too much fun out here on the flats. Absolutely awesome. I'm blown away. I am blown away. Time for the montage. All right, there you have it. I'm not going to tell you exactly how fast we went. That's kind of classified, but I will tell you it's the fastest I've ever gone on the Bonneville Salt Flats. Thanks for watching.